What is up, guys? Dark Unicorn here. And before getting into all the Call of Duty things, just want to reflect upon some things that happened in real life. Yesterday I went to a basketball game, McGill Redmen against Syracuse Orange. McGill got their asses handed to them. 80-40. They got owned. They got beasted. Who loses by 40 points nowadays? Come on now, son. It's okay, it's okay. Syracuse, very good team. McGill didn't stand a goddamn chance. Yeah. This video, okay. So, this morning I'll be playing some Blaps 2. All day, just dying. I'm trying to gold my Peacekeeper. I eventually did gold my Peacekeeper. I'm on my AN94 now. But the only reason I kept on dying, LMG target finder, man. Head glitching target finder LMG, or in a window, or just pistol whip, or someone trying to diamond their pistols or something, or no legit deaths, I mean. Or, okay, I have a question for y'all. I think everyone wants this. A ballista with iron sights and less hit markers, more damage. Everyone wants that, right? Well, you could get it right now. It's called a KSG long barrel, goddammit. KSG with the long barrel just takes complete advantage of the lag comp in this freaking game. The slug of the one reason why it has so much range. God damn, with the long barrel plus 15% range, you kidding me? Even without long barrel, this thing's a sniper. With long barrel, damn son, man. I'm gonna upload the game. I'm gonna upload a clip where I got literally sniped by a KSG and the slug went curving, okay, through a corner on hijack, that middle area, on the map hijack, that middle area. I was going through the middle. The slug curved through that corner and hit me. You know how pissed off I got? Damn, son. Threw my stuff against the floor, man. Screw this game. You suck, Vandahar. You suck. In the new update, yeah, today came, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm rage calm a bit. But today came the new update for the new personalization packs. With that new update, you should have freaking nerfed all the LMGs, nerfed the Remington and the KSG, nerfed the snipers one more time, less ADS, no, actually make dexterity work with the snipers, but put less ADS time, and no, sorry, more, as in slower ADS time, as in more. You added 0.2 or 0.4 seconds last update. Add another 0.2 seconds, bro. Come on now, Vondi. What else? There's the damage. Make them get more hit markers. I don't want to see hit markers from the waist and up. I want to see hit markers from the waist down. That's just screwy. I just pick up a sniper. I have no bullet in my. I have no bullets. I'm not running scavenger. I'm running toughness or something, or cold-blooded, because all the target finder noobs in the freaking lobby. I find a sniper off the floor. Okay, I'll try and snipe. I've done it before. I'm not a complete noob at sniping. I'll just pick up a DSR. Deadly from the waist and up. If you're saying deadly from the waist and up, why the hell am I getting hit markers when I'm shooting the guy in the freaking straight to the heart or the lungs? Or, yeah, I know the arms, the hands, that's not gonna count. Waist and up, as in this part of your body. And the head, of course. Getting headshots, that's good. That's extra score for you, good for you. But waist and up, I don't want to see hit markers when I hit someone in the rib cage. And I don't want to see a kill when I wallbang someone in the leg. I don't want to see that kill. I don't want to see a kill when I wallbang someone with my silenced ballista with no FMJ in the foot and he dies. That's just a bullshit kill. I want a hit marker there and a kill from the waist up, because I've been dying from bullshit ass sniper shots and they were not from the waist up or I was like regenning my health, or not even regenning my health, full 100% health, bam, one shot kill. Damn. Nerf dual band also with that, and the MMS and the target finder, everything that goes with it, the aimbot scope target finder. Noob tubes, no one's using noob tubes. I'm kind of happy, but in Modern Warfare 2, you know what really got you going for that nuke? Was that tuber in the lobby. Just danger close, one-man arming his tube, just shooting you. So you got really pissed and want to kill him. He just kept on doing that from spawn, and you just kept on killing him, and that eventually you got your high streaks like that. Well, we got no tubes. And now that was counterable. In Modern Warfare 2, that was all that was counterable. The one-man army, danger close tubes, you could just go ahead and kill them, or that was counterable. Well, 5 kill streak prep missile, just rained a prep missile on him. That all was counterable, agreed. But now, instead of tubers, well, everyone's using flak jacket. I tried tubing. Like, I put a target finder on, I put a suppressed M27 with target finder and tube. Full noob. Full noob. I couldn't hit anyone. Target finder wasn't picking up anyone. Everyone was running cold-blooded. And noob tube wasn't able to kill anyone. Everyone was running flak jacket. Even with flak jacket, tubes are supposed to do a lot of damage. With flak jacket, I just nade a guy right next to him with my tube, just right next to him. He shakes it off just because he's wearing flak jacket. He just shakes it off. It should do more damage. Nerf flak jacket just a bit. Just make it so that C4 and frag grenade and noob tube would do just a bit more damage to it. And also, some unbalanced Treyarch. Well, Vondi, you claim to have this black box and listen to all the things that. How many people have uploaded videos of what is wrong with Black Ops 2? I don't want this to be a ragecom or a complaining video. Nerf this, nerf that. Just saying, man. Let me continue that in Modern Warfare 2, all that danger close one-man army, that was all counterable. But now there are no tubers, it's just target finder LMGs. And this fiasco is not counterable. You go ahead and kill them, bam, turn on. You put the ADS time on the LMG so slow, they still turn you on, Vonderhart, please. Nerf the damage of the freaking... No quad feed LMG sprays target finder. No freaking turn-ons with an LMG. What the hell is a turn-on with an LMG? You know how slow you move with an LMG, first of all, and then how slow you ADS? You gotta be really good. And still, I get owned by it. I get owned by scrubs doing that. You know why? Because the LMGs are so easy to use. Also the shotguns and the snipers too. Pistols, not to mention TAC-45. You know how many pistol whippers I've gotten in free-for-all lobbies? Man, TAC-45 suppressed, TAC knife, whatever. So nerf all that. You nerfed the Cap-40 last update with the sniper nerf. You nerfed it. You have been listening. Yeah, black box. Yeah, maybe that proves you kind of have it. Don't just stop at the cap. Keep on going, Vonderhart. Please. Thank you for listening to the video. Every like will help this video get the Treyarch ASAP. Nerf these craps, man. I need to have some peaceful encounters. I have to have some peaceful gunfight. I can't win a gunfight when the other person. I'm sorry. I can't win a freaking gunfight when the other person has a target finder. Also, when I'm trying to do my no perks, no attachments, I don't have toughness. You know how many times I've been flashbanged or concussion grenaded and then I die? Or how many times I've been thrown off my aim because I'm not using toughness? Or how many times I've ran out of ammo because I'm not using scavenger? Or how many times I have not gotten to an objective point and strafed around strategically to kill someone because I don't have lightweight? How many times I've been buzz killed without hardline? How many times I have died when I'm reloading? Or how many times I have died when I've appeared on the mini-map when I'm shooting? Only when you're doing that challenge of the Cherry Blossom and Art of War camo, only then will you realize what is important. The importance of your perks and freaking attachments. Use them wisely. Dark Unicorn out. Peace.